Today, we're exploring the stunning design of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Get ready for a premium smartphone experience. Samsung's taking a measured approach to design, refining what worked well for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The result? A sleeker, more modern look. Key features: flatter sides, rounded corners for a premium vibe, 14G lighter than the S24 Ultra for comfort. Despite a smaller footprint, the Galaxy S25 Ultra retains its large display size. How? Slimmer bezels make all the difference. What else can we expect from the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Stay tuned for more exciting updates. The Galaxy S25 Ultra takes camera capabilities to new heights. What's new? Key camera features: 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera up from 12-megapixel. January 2nd 52 sensor with 0.7 micron pixel size and f/1.9 aperture for improved low-light performance. 8K video recording using both main and ultra-wide cameras. However, charging and battery life might not see significant upgrades. 45W wired charging, same as S24 Ultra. Same battery capacity as S24 Ultra might not meet some users' expectations. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will be powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, built on a 3nm process. Key features: enhanced performance, better power efficiency, substantial performance gains, outperforming Apple's A16 Pro. However, there are concerns about power consumption. Will the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip impact battery life? Mitigating factors: improved thermal system in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The price of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to rise due to rising component costs. Key price details: Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip costs around $204 per unit. 20.68% increase compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The increased cost of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip is expected to be passed on to consumers. Mark your calendars. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to launch in January next year, with pre-orders available immediately after in major global markets. Based on leaks and rumors, the Galaxy S25 Ultra promises to be a refined and powerful smartphone with notable improvements. Key features: improved design, enhanced camera capabilities, powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip. So, what are your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Share your opinions in the comments below. Are you excited about this new flagship device?